Would you love to live in a vibrant urban neighborhood? It is not often that a home comes available in the historic Browns edition. I'm Tanya Starkle with Avenue Stone Real Estate, and welcome to the Historic Strobeck House. A gorgeous Victorian home built in 1898, right near Coeur Park in the city's oldest neighborhood with tree-lined streets and trendy eateries. This home is full of personality, character, and charm. From the woodwork and the built-in cabinets to the intricate wood wainscoting and hand-painted light fixtures. This home is unique and fun and full of life. If these walls could only talk. A picturesque window in the dining room and a classically renovated kitchen. Upstairs has 3 good-sized bedrooms and a full bathroom, hardwood floors, and tall ceilings throughout. The lower level has a walkout basement, a bedroom, and a brand new bathroom with a kitchenette and family room, making it the perfect getaway. The ideal in-law setup, vacation rental, or income producer space. This home is in the heart of Spokane and checks all the boxes. Location, character, commute time, walkability, and gorgeous views. I'm Tanya Starkle with Avenue Stone Real Estate. Please share this video and thank you for watching.